Well, so keeping by this whole thing of, I speak of these different kind of stones. It's been quite a while since I've been wearing this. It's called the rose quartz mala. Rose quartz, and rose quartz is supposed to be a forgiveness stone. I mean, and especially if you wear it over your heart chakra. I mean, yeah, this is very odd, very strange to say, but really wearing a crystal during the day, sometimes I find my crystal very hot, so basically what is happening is I feel it's taking all the excess of heat from the body is being absorbed by this crystal, and then as a result you end up feeling very cool. And I've seen this very perceptible difference, when I'm wearing this rose quartz, and when I remove it, it's literally at the mind level there is some kind of no, I mean, it's not something I do consciously. Like, there are times, like, we have to remove the stone also, right? While having a bath, or while sleeping, or something, or while doing yoga. I So I've seen that kind of difference, so honestly, like they say, these vibrations and energies is not imagination. Yeah, I mean, it's like then the entire planet is imagining all at the same time, so that would be odd. But really, so this is a healing stone, and rose quartz, basically that's what, if you notice, the color pink itself is always used to denote love. So uh, rose quartz, I don't know, they say it will help in attracting love, or more than anything, if your heart is kind of hurting or something, it will help you heal. So I highly recommend this. Yeah, you can get it on Amazon. And normally it's plain crystals also people wear. I mean, a lot of spiritual people wear plain crystals, but I found this, I got it at discount basically, so that's why. But either way, it's really good to wear. It's called the rose quartz, and for those of y'all who are healing from bad breakup and all, it can really make a difference. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.